Hello, lovelies. You're all welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. My name is Tolu. Lovelies, I brought you this simple, delicious carrot stew. Yes, you heard me well. We ain't using tomatoes for this very stew you're looking at. Don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. You can see what I have there. I have bell pepper. I have chili here. I have my onions. And what I have here are carrots we are using. To make it very fine, I love to peel the back of the carrots. Yes, if you like it, you can leave it. But if you want it like I do mine, it's better you peel the back. You're going to see the difference after peeling it. Compare it with the peeled one and not peeled one. That is how it is. So I'm going to peel it one after the other. After peeling, wash them well and dice them because we're going to be using blender to blend this. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to you on my returning subscribers. Thanks for your comments, likes, and sharing my videos. God bless you. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Leave a comment. Let me see you. So let's continue. Those are the ingredients. You can see those carrots are now ready. That is the bell pepper, that is the chili and onions. And what I have here is my ginger. This is optional. I love to blend my pepper with ginger. So blend them together. After blending, get a pot, pour the carrot mix into the pot. You know we are making stew, fried stew at Dindin. So for the water content to really reduce, pour it in a pot, add 1 tablespoonful of vegetable oil and boil it. So after boiling under low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes, you can see how it looks now. It is now done and ready. In another pot, I'm going to pour vegetable oil into it and heat it up a bit, and I'm going to add sliced or diced onion into it now. Just saute for about 2 minutes to flavor the vegetable oil and add the well-boiled carrot mix into it. Now give it a gentle stir. This is done already. Remember, we boiled it for about 30 minutes already. So I'm just going to go ahead now and add my seasoning. What I have here is my curry. I have thyme there and I have seasoning. If you don't like a stew with curry and thyme, you can skip that, but please add seasoning into it. All right, so after adding that, I'm just going to add some meat stock. Yes, that's meat stock. I've just added into this mixture. I'm going to mix it together, and after that, I'm going to cover it partly and allow it to fry. Always remember to open and give it a gentle stir. All right, so lovelies, it's now time to add some salt into it. After adding salt, I'm going to add my boiled cow leg and cow skin into it. Now I'm going to add the remaining protein. I have fried beef, boiled egg, and fried fish there, so I'm just going to add them now one after the other. Please remember to give this video a thumb up if you like what you're watching. Leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you. So mix them gently and allow them to know themselves by allowing them to fry together. Okay, leave it open and allow it to fry. Tra-la-la, lovelies, after about 10 minutes, our stew is done. Yes, it is done. Taste for salt and adjust your salt and seasoning. So, what do you want to rock this with? This is perfect for rice, perfect for spaghetti, for pasta, for potatoes, for anything. You try it with swallow and draw soup. You will not even know that you are eating carrots, pepper stew. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. You enjoyed this and let me know how much you loved it. Thank you. Bye-bye.